Hi guys, so whoever's watching this, I organized my little cupboard today. It was driving me absolutely insane. But there's 4 bags of dog treats. My boyfriend will come over and bring a bag every single time he brings his dog. And I'm like, we have them. Stop bringing them. Obviously, he leaves them in the cupboard. But I think it's so satisfying to watch these videos. And I know this one's super fast, but the before and afters are amazing. And thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you liked this. I'm trying to make more videos as I can. Thanks so much. Also, I do need to add that I do save my containers, like my sour cream and my Cool Whip. If you're wondering what I'm doing with those, I save them. I save everything. I don't like to throw stuff away, and I also don't want it to go in a landfill. And if I can use it, why not save it? You know what I mean?